Meet Emma. She's a writer on the verge of publishing her first book, and excited about building an audience, she launches a website under her author name. But after weeks of posting, she's very frustrated. Hardly anyone is visiting her website. No readers, no engagement. And that's when Emma stumbles upon SEO, search engine optimization, and discovers that her website isn't a problem. It's how search engines sees it. So if you've ever felt like you're shouting into the void with your content, stick around, because today we're diving into SEO for authors and how it can help your writing reach the right readers. What is SEO and why should you as a writer care? SEO is basically the art and science of making content discoverable in search. Whether it's Google, YouTube, or Pinterest search, these search engines will prioritize certain type of content based on how well it's optimized. For Emma, this means that writing great blog posts isn't enough. She has to optimize them for search engines so that it actually ranks on them. And there are two main types of SEO that you need to know about. The first one is on-page SEO, which is everything on the website, and then it's off-page SEO, which is everything outside of the website. On-page SEO and how you can optimize it is what we're going to talk about now. So on-page SEO is basically about making the content on your website as readable as possible. And here's what Emma did. She started doing keyword research, and here she used free and paid SEO tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to find out what people were actually searching for that is related to her books, her themes, and her genre. She made a list of relevant keywords and strategically placed them in her blog post titles, the first 100 words of each post, in the headings like H1 and H2s, in her alt tags, and in her meta description. Then she started doing content optimization. So instead of just writing random blog posts like she started doing, she actually structured her content about things that readers were searching for. She added images, videos, internal links to keep the visitors engaged for as long as possible. And so they will stay on the page, because if people stay on your website, Google will see that the content you're providing is valuable. After that, she looked at the technical aspects on her website. So she optimized things that were a little bit behind the scene, improving site speed, because no one, wants to visit a slow website. Then she made her website mobile friendly, so the people on the phone could see, get the best experience. Then she looked at schema markup, which is basically making search engines understand what is what on your website, understanding the content a lot better. And when all of this is done, she started looking at off-page SEO. Now that Emma's website is optimized, she needs to build credibility to add visibility. And this is where off-page SEO comes in. You need to get backlinks to make your website more visible. So the thing that Emma did to get more backlinks is that she reached out to other authors and other bloggers within her niche and started guest posting on their websites. And this way she could link into her website, which builds credibility for the search engines. And why do you need backlinks? Well, basically, when it's a completely new website, Google doesn't know if you are telling the truth or not. But the more people who links to your website, the more credible it is that what you're saying is true and that you actually have a voice within this niche that you're part of. After that, she started with a social media and content marketing plan, because SEO isn't just about Google anymore. So Emma repurposed her blog content into Pinterest pins for Pinterest search, and then she started making YouTube videos, because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. She started making Instagram posts and Instagram reels linking to her website. And then she started doing author collaborations by networking with fellow writers and appearing on podcasts with interviews and in other people's newsletters. She got more and more traffic, which built her reputation within the writing world. SEO is more than just Google. It's about visibility everywhere these days, and search, it happens in all kinds of places. So people are nowadays searching on Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, using ChatGPT, Instagram, whatever. So if you want to make your content visible, you need to understand how to create SEO friendly content within all the places that you create content. And SEO it's not only optimizing for search. It's about creating content that your reader and your visitor, the people who are going to consume the content, the kind of content that they want. It's about creating content for other human beings. So you need to understand your audience and their search behaviors when you optimize for those platforms. So for example, if you're planning a trip for yourself, for me, I go into Pinterest instead of Googling. And when I want to do a DIY tutorial, I search directly on YouTube. So it's not only search, it can be anywhere. I know that more and more people are searching on Instagram and on TikTok. So if you want to reach a wider audience and attract more readers and build a brand as an author, SEO is a great way to start. So if you, just like Emma, want more and more readers to find your work, SEO is for you. And if you want more SEO tips tailored for authors, drop a comment and let me know what your questions about SEO are. And maybe I'll make more videos on this topic. I love SEO, I love marketing, and I love writing. And I want to help other authors reach out with their content as good as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.